So we've talked about growing carrots under cardboard or a board in order to get them to germinate, which increases your germination rate by about 80%. Now you're supposed to pull it off in about 14, 21 days. We have forgotten to do that, and now I'm going to lift this up, and you can see a lot of white in here. That is the carrots. There's a few weeds coming up. There's some roly-polies, which are decomposers. You see that in your soil? Really good soil. It's a really good thing. So allow these to be natural, let the sun expose them. They just think they're still trying to pierce through the soils. That's why they're white. Don't worry about it. In about a week, they'll green up. Be sure you keep them hydrated, and you'll have really good carrots. If you do need to thin, now's the time to thin. Cut them instead of pulling them out. That's how you grow better carrots.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.